Hey, I'm Shawn Allen, Drive On with Shawn, and this is why you should drive an MDX. It's the most sold luxury SUV of all time. It's 5-star crash test rated and a top safety pick. Wow, that's safe. The MDX has an active dampening suspension. Wow, that's a smooth ride. Do you like convenience? Remote start, keyless entry, push button entry, B for drive, and you go. Well, what about luxury? 360 camera with multi-view backup camera. Not enough for you? Check out the front camera with parking sensors on both sides. Still not enough? Check out the cameras on the mirrors. We're not done yet, but be sure to like, subscribe, and share.
Real wood grain center console.
Real wood grain trimming. Premium ultra soft Milano leather with contrast stitching and piping. And did I forget to mention, it's got heated and ventilated seats. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Shawn, what about these driver assist technologies I keep hearing about? Well, good thing, because Acura has you covered. Lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, road departure mitigation, and forward collision mitigation. Does this car sound like something you'd want to check out? Make sure you get a hold of me through Facebook or YouTube. My contact info is in the description and the comments. If you share this video and one of your friends comes into John Eagle Acura and buys a car from me, we can send you a check for $100. Make sure you like and share.